Blessed is my Father for waking up all the dry bones that he sees dead. Blessed is my Father for all things. All holy is my Father, and great is my Father. All gracious is my Father. Holy of holy, King of kings, Lord of lords, God of gods. For all things were created by my Father, and done by my Father. Either good or bad, either good or bad, for all things are good to my Father. Yet he set his children correct, and shows them and guides them in the correct way that they should do well upon each other, and do great upon each other. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father, for giving us the blessing. Thank you, Father, for protecting all your children. Thank you, Father, for being there, guiding us and showing us, Father. All praises to the Most High, and glory to the Most High for all things. Thank you, Father, for doing all things towards us. All praises and glory. Thank you, Father. All blessings to the Most High, glory to the Most High. And your humble servant, always and forever. And we just want to, amen.
The Apocalypse of Moses. This is the story of Adam and Eve after they had gone out of paradise. Chapter 1. And Adam knew his wife Eve and went upward.
Your device is disconnect.